Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to look at the double overhand knot. So the double overhand knot is an overhand knot with 2 wraps, making it a slightly beefier stopper knot than the common overhand. Stopper knots are used when you want to prevent a rope from slipping through a device or through another knot. Tying the double overhand knot is easy. You just need to start with a loop in your rope and pass your working end through the loop once, and then a second time before cinching up the knot. The question might be asked, how is the double overhand if it's tied as a slip knot? Well, if we tied the entire double hand with a bite like I'm doing here, we end up with a beefy stopper, but the knot's difficult to cinch up, and when I pull on the tail end, it doesn't collapse at all. So I don't think it's very good. It kind of defeats the purpose of being tied as a slip. Now if I tie the double overhand with a slip only in the final wrap, like this, it does cinch up fairly nice and could be used as a stopper. But again, when I pull on the tail end, it only collapses into a common overhand knot. So again, I don't think there's any reason to tie the double as a slip in any way. The double overhand knot. It's a step up from the common overhand when you need a slightly larger stopper knot, and it looks kind of nice. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.